I forgot to bring the old car, so I don't even know what size I need at the present moment. So I have to bring the old one and then come back. But we did find, watch out, we did find quite a few things. Here's line for the Lazy Jacks, and here's a set of 2 Lumar winches, self-tailing, 2-speed 30s. So that's a yes. Oh yeah. And then a new dock plug, because that's bogus. And I need another locking winch handle, but we'll see about that. What else are we missing?
The shoppers.
We have made it to the out, and we're doing out things. Went to the big out. Okay, so the market is closed right now, but the restaurant wasn't.
No, yeah, she's not vegetarian.
Alright, you ready, ladies?
Oh, wow, done. I love it. Okay. This arrangement.
I like your lantern. Hey, it works and it's glowy. It's like a Chinese lantern. What?
It's fueled feverish growth.
I like
This
grilling station.
Yeah.
A new drawbridge added a rail link to Terminal Island.
I'm roughing it. And Jasmine thinks they're crazy. Delilah thrilled.
In those days, we had a fascinating harbor. After a storm, we
Jasmine's just waiting on hot dogs.
So we picked some of them up.
The
Pacific Electric train used to go by there. There was a trestle that was up above, and when the train was going by, us kids would sit there and moon the passengers on the train.
While Los Angeles expanded the port during the 20s and 30s, San Pedro and Wilmington were creating local traditions and institutions of their own.
Is this your attempt
As
to
harbor
point
residents
out
found
that
ways to tough
I
out the
didn't give
depression,
you a fish?
the hard times refused to end. All the while, images of
He put
sunny
the hot
weekends
dogs
brought
on the
thousands of
bait cutting
visitors,
station.
jobs, and a better life. The port attracted its
Yeah,
share of California
yeah.
dreamers.
Check out the tools. They showed up with this gantry to pull the motor that a friend built. Made me jealous. I need one for the 35 to put the motor back in. So, and she brought me this great hat from South Africa that I will show you later. There's no flash, so I cannot show you without turning it around. So I'm going to turn it around, turn the flash on, so you can see what's for dinner tonight. Well, it might not be a salmon, Josh, but it most certainly was delicious.
This is one of the many happenings here. We got longboarding. We're going to have our shortboarding event, Stop Form the Challenger Series. We got the X Games, Vert Pro Skating happening today, Sunday, and next weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Of course, all the activations on the beach. Make your way down here if you're in Southern California, especially if you're in inland Southern California, because I think the temperatures are going to reach triple digits inland.
It's supposed to be 100 degrees.
Come on down to
Inland Empire, so come on down to the beach. It's cool. The sun is out.
Yeah.
Jump in the ocean, cool off, and hang out. I mean, the celebration down here in Huntington Beach is always a tradition. I mean, there's always something to do down here. There's activations. There's people to see. There's things to do. There's skate ramps. There's music. There's surfing. I mean, it's a beautiful thing.
Number two, Kai Salas survives the elimination round. Not just survives it, just excelled in this heat, Rosie.
And sometimes, you know, this is where you can find that bit of momentum that takes you on to, you know, a win at an event. When you get knocked into that elimination round, you kind of have to regather yourself, regroup. And I think for Kai, with this kind of display, I mean, we know what he's capable of. Obviously, he's the reigning world champ, but he's looking dangerous.
That's right. He sure is looking dangerous. Kai Salas leads us up to number one, Big Ben Skinner, and his performance in the elimination round.
Yeah, well, Huntington hasn't been too good to Ben, surprisingly, over the years, but with performances like this, he's actually looking like the favourite because didn't put a foot wrong. Excellent range scores, displacing a lot of water once again. Self-designed, self-shaped surfboard, as with Kai Salas and Kailas Flint. These guys are really a talking point for longboard surfing, and it really distinguishes what separates longboard to shortboard surfing as well.
Powerful surfer, doing it for England, and doing it in a big way, Ben Skinner.
Last 2 seconds, chase lead of course on his 17th wave, sorry. Beautiful hang 10 there. And carving that one back. Just feeling the confidence. And with a massive heat total and also a massive wave count, Chase Leader takes the win in the final heat of the day from Kai Hamasi. And we'll be seeing Chase move forward into round 3 and say goodbye to the rookie.
Tourist on segways. Tourist.
The rest of the crew. Yeah, it looks like police might go with police and Avalon, maybe looking for those lefts into the pier, the tallers, the bottom rests. I'll see if we can get a couple. as far as safety first goes, grabbing that left right at the pier.
40 seconds left, she can make something happen on the inside. She's got priority. Now Rachel's got priority. She's going to grab one right here. Same thing is going to close out on her. So this comes in and out of the inside second with 24 seconds remaining. And Rachel's going to try to get a victory lap too. And the battle for second is coming down to these last two rides. Avalon looking for a 2.7 so far. And Khalees with a nice 5, right? Gets back just in time. Explodes around her. Rachel out the back, bringing it in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And right, so wheelies down to save that one. Khalees still escorting all the way to the beach. Rachel doing the same. Bashes it one more time, and once she hits the sand, that does it for the day. Thank you for coming out to the Vans Duct Tape Invitational at the US Open of Surfing.